Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome to a new video on the channel, which is going to focus on a 2-bar candlestick formation pattern called Haramis. So let's hop right into it. Haramis are similar to the inside bar pattern, which is something that we have previously spoken about on the channel. But the difference in this case is that the wick doesn't have to absolutely be held within the real body of the first candle. I'll admit the distinction is somewhat futile, but it essentially comes down to the lingo. So my conclusions from what this pattern is and how to interpret it are going to be quite similar to the interpretation that I would have of the inside bar pattern. So what we can see is that the second candle is much smaller than the first one. What does that mean? It means that volatility is dying down. It means that we found a greater amount of price equilibrium between the supply and the demand. Oftentimes, salamis, haramis can mark the beginning of a reversal. Pushing things even further, we can also talk about a Harami Cross, which combines the inside bar pattern with the doji. For reference, for those who don't know, the doji being a candle that has no real body. So if we were to observe a Harami Cross following a downtrend, that would be considered a bullish Harami Cross. Why? Because it could potentially signal the end of a trend. Seeing as the second candlestick comes out as a doji, that indicates that there's even more indecision or more equilibrium that's found within the price action. And on the flip side, if we are coming out of an uptrend and we see a Harami Cross, that would be called a bearish Harami Cross because it could potentially signal the end of that uptrend. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching my videos on Haramis, Salamis, Haramis. If you wouldn't mind just dropping a like for me, that would be very much appreciated. I will see you guys in the next video.